So when we use 30, 60, 90 triangles, we have to use the 30, 60, 90 rules with the special triangles. So across from the 30 is a 1, across from the 90 is a 2, and across from the 60 is a square root of 3. And so what we know is that if we have another triangle that we want to find the sides, we're going to make proportions with each of the sides. So let's say we have this triangle. Here's the 30, here's the 60, and we know this side here. And we're trying to find x, and we're trying to find y. Okay, several ways we can do it. Some of the things that you guys liked was writing the red sides onto that triangle. So I'm going to do that real quick. So across from the 30 is there. Well, across from the 30 there is the 1. So I'm going to put a 1 here beside of the 3. Across from the 90 is y. Across from the 90 there is a 2. So I'm going to put a 2 here beside the y. Across from the 60 on both of them, there's x, there's a square root of 3, so I'm going to put square root of 3. Now, if you can do it by looking at it without writing those, then that's fine. But here, I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to start with y and put it over 2. And then I'm going to use the side that I know both things, which is the 3, and put it over 1. Cross multiply and solve. So 1y equals 6, so there's y. Alright, so if I'm going to do the other one, this time I'm going to do x and square root of 3. And I'm going to continue to use that 3 and 1. Cross multiply. When you multiply this, you leave it as 3 squared of 3. Don't find the answer. There you go.